Cape Cod Cuda, frame off restoration now, 71 Cutlass. This is the chassis. At least 8 guys picked the body up and walked away with it. We backed it up over here. They spun it around and stood it straight up on the firewall. Putting a couple of 2x4s down by the firewall. Got a ratchet strap on the back wall, to the wall. Just to do all the underneath. They're gonna fix the sheet metal on the floor, weld it all, flatten it all down, and then undercoat it. And then restore, clean up the whole frame and stuff, all the suspension. Put four-wheel disc brake conversion kit from the S10 on it. Detail the chassis all out. I gotta get my Chevelle down here so I can do the same thing. I'm not gonna do that, that looks scary to me. But that frame was nice. This was a $600 71 Cutlass. It's got the sway bar in the back. Power steering, disc brakes. It was an AC car with a 350 with automatic on the floor. Harvest Gold with black interior. The owner of the car is putting a big block in it, rated at over 500 horse. I believe it's a 455 going into the car. Cape Cod Cuda signing out. Thanks for watching.